Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your cam chain tensioner, how to reinstall it. Over here to the side, remove the side panel, pop that off. Then you can get to the cam chain tensioner on the back of the cylinder head. Should be on the back of the cylinder head down to the bottom on most ATVs. There are 2 bolts securing it. We'll just remove those with the tool that comes in the ATV kit, otherwise it is a T25 Torx. I like to use a wrench on the end of my tool, then I can break the bolts free and then just remove them by hand like that. You may notice that the tensioner is backing out with the bolt, and that is because there is tension on that plunger. That plunger inside of there has a spring pushing out, and that's what tensions the cam chain. So when you remove your bolts, you may just hold that in until you get them out. Then you can just slide the tensioner straight out. And that is your cam chain tensioner. In the back of the cam chain tensioner there is a 10mm cap bolt, and that you will want to remove on your new one when you install a new tensioner. Just remove that rear cap plug and then just get a small flat blade screwdriver that will fit in there, and then screw in the little screw, and that is going to pull the plunger back on the tensioner. So then when you install this new tensioner, you will screw that plunger back. You can either do it beforehand or once you get it mounted into the hole. I do it beforehand, but it might be a little bit easier if you do it when you got it lined up. But you got to pull that back so you can get your bolts in there and tighten them down. I suppose another way you could do it is to put that tensioner in there, get your bolts started, and then back the plunger back with your screwdriver. But I just like to ensure that it's all the way back when I'm mounting my bolts in there. So just mount your 2 bolts in there, make sure you're holding the screwdriver so it's not loosening up on the tensioner. Get your bolts snugged down. Then when the tensioner is seated, you can snug the bolts down, and once they're snugged down, then you can release that screwdriver that is holding the plunger back. And then that will release the plunger to the cam chain, and that's what is tensioning your cam chain. So make sure everything is tightened down. After you've got that in there, you can put your cap bolt back in and snug that down. So that is how to remove your cam chain tensioner, replace your cam chain tensioner with a new one. If for any reason you've got an issue with it, that's how to replace it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.